Worried someone might be peeking into your computer through Chrome Remote Desktop? Let's lock that door shut. First, let's open up the Google Chrome browser. This is where we'll find the Chrome Remote Desktop settings. In the top right corner of your Chrome window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on that to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, scroll down and hover over Extensions. A submenu will then appear. Click on Manage Extensions in the submenu. This will take you to the page where you can see all your installed Chrome extensions. Now look for Chrome Remote Desktop in your list of extensions. If you can't find it, that's good. It means it's not installed, but if you do see it, you have 2 choices here. You can either disable it by toggling the blue switch to gray and thereby turning it off, or for complete removal, click the Remove button. Chrome will ask for confirmation, so click Remove again to confirm. For users who installed Chrome Remote Desktop as an app, type Chrome Apps into the address bar and press Enter. If you see Chrome Remote Desktop here, right-click on its icon. A context menu will pop up. Select Remove from Chrome. Chrome will ask for confirmation, so click Remove again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully removed or disabled Chrome Remote Desktop, making your computer a little more secure. Remember to regularly review your extensions and apps for anything you don't recognize. Stay safe online.